All the devices will be controlled by operating system, and whenever, let's say, a process wants, let's say this is the operating system, a process wants a printer. This is the printer, this is the process. It cannot directly access the printer. It has to ask operating system for the access, right? So for that, it has to have the system call, and once operating system grants the permission, then it will go to the printer daemon and it will start it. It will start printing. So what are the required system calls that have to be provided by any operating system in general is, one is request the device, release the device. So any process should request it, and after requesting, after its work is done, it should release it. So especially here, some operating systems use some policies like resource allocation. Depending on the deadlock handling strategies, some operating systems are going to use some policies like whether they should allocate a resource or they should not. That is based on various algorithms like Banker's algorithm and ostrich approach, all those things. So that is what is being done at this level. That is again system dependent, the exact implementation. And after you get the device, you might want to read sometimes in case of a scanner, or you might want to write in case of a printer, or you might want to reposition. In case if it is a hard disk, you want to say reposition is nothing but seeking. I told you, right? So instead of doing a sequential read from a hard disk, you can jump from one location to the other location. That is called repositioning. And then you would like to get the device attributes. Device attributes is like what is the speed at which it can take the data, what 5 Mbps or 1 Mbps or 1 kbps, or who is the owner of it, right? Or what is the capacity of it, everything. And similarly, you can set the attributes, right? And the next one is logically attach a device or logically detach a device. Attaching a device and detaching a device is nothing but you want to enable the device drivers. Again, it is done by operating system only. For example, if you try to connect a new printer to your computer, you are supposed to attach it. Even though you physically attach it, your device drivers have to be ready. And in some of the operating systems, it is done automatically, and in some of the operating systems, you are supposed to go with the system call, right? So anyway, any operating system is supposed to provide certain mechanisms to handle all these tasks. Therefore, for any of these tasks, operating system has to be involved, and whenever operating system is involved, if you are a user, you should make the system call. Okay.